guys, welcome back to FOXXYLAND. As you can tell by the title of this video, today we're doing Harley Quinn makeup and I'm super excited because this look is super easy and it became so popular the past years. If you're struggling with last minute decisions or what to do for Halloween, this is a great option. I'm gonna put some twist on it of course, but you definitely don't have to. It's super easy. It takes probably around an hour to complete the look. You might need also some props if you want to be even cooler, but if you want to go just with the makeup and the hairstyle, that's definitely up to you and it's still gonna work so well. If you want to see me turning into Harley Quinn, keep on watching. So I'm gonna start my makeup with priming and I'm gonna use today the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is actually the first time I'm trying it, so let's see how it goes. 3 pumps. Feels nice. I really like how this feels on my face so far. Next step is the foundation and I'm gonna mix my favorite Faux Filter by Huda Beauty with this maroon white paint stick. I want my face to look paler because I'm going for Harley Quinn by the end of the movie, not by the beginning. And we start blending. Now that we're done blending, I'm gonna use a bit darker foundation to just create a little bit of contour because now I lost all my dimensions. Okay, everything is ready to be set. I'm using the FOXXYLAND translucent powder, my beauty blender, and starting to pat this powder onto my face. I'm going to be quite generous today. We're doing a Halloween look, so I don't mind being cakey at all. Fun fact, by the way, I just watched Suicide Squad for first time a few days ago. I haven't watched it before and honestly I really loved it and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna create a whole series with the main characters' looks and I'm super excited for it. Now onto the eyes, and I'm gonna use the P. Louise and Mama Micho Blank Canvas Primer to prime my lids. I'm also gonna apply some primer here so the eyeshadow actually catches much better. This is my absolute favorite primer. I always use this. For the eyeshadow today, I'm using the Carnival 3 palette. It's such a beautiful palette and it has literally almost every color in the world. It's so amazing and it's definitely worth purchasing this one. I'm obsessed. So I'm going to start with the pink eye, which is going to be this one. And I'm going to use first the color Pink Lily and stamp it onto my eyelid. So pigmented, loving it. Then I'm stamping over here as well, where I placed the primer. We want to create this dripping look as if I was crying all night for my Joker. Then I'm gonna take the color Magenta and place a little bit only on my outer corner. Then again using Magenta next to my bottom lash and also to create some texture, as if that's where the tears were falling down. And I'm just gonna blend everything out with what's left on my brush from Pink Lily. And for the blue eye, I'm gonna use the shade Lagoon and the Deep. We're gonna repeat absolutely the same thing. Stamping first. Honestly, the good thing about this look is that you're not looking for perfection at all. Actually, even the opposite. So this look is very suitable even for very beginners. Then adding some depth with the shade The Deep from the same palette. Outer corner, bottom lash line, and then stamping some texture teardrop-like. I've added black pencil inside my waterline and I smudged it out a little bit and now I'm gonna do a wing. Then it's time to fix this brow situation right here. Recently I've bought this one. This is the Brow Blade by Urban Decay and honestly I'm living for it. I'm not using any other brow product other than this right now. So I'm starting with the pencil side. And then I'm going to use the other side of the brow blade to create some hair strokes. Honestly, feel free to do any brow style you want. This doesn't really matter. And we're done with the brows. Next I'm going to do mascara and lashes, and I'm gonna come back. Then next you can definitely use eyeliner, but I'm gonna use a black water activated pen and a brush. And of course we have to write Rotten, her signature thing. I'm just gonna move around the brush until I create the consistency I want. This water activated pen, by the way, is from Snazaroo and it's super cheap, so anyone can literally get it. I prefer it over eyeliner, that's for sure, especially that I can use a brush. I'm very bad in writing, so this is the best I could do. Then we're gonna add the heart. Then I'm missing some more depth in the eye, so I'm gonna go with black eyeshadow and just smudge around a little bit the eyeliner. Yes, much better. And also the bottom lash. Blend the edges. That's so much better. I'm gonna do also the blue one. Then of course for the lips we're going for red lipstick. I'm applying some, and then with my finger I'm going to spread it. And of course we are smudging the lips. This is her signature. So you can definitely stop here, but I want to take it further. As I told you, my Harley Quinn is the one by the end of the movie and not by the beginning of the movie. So I want to add a little bit black, a little bit blood, a wand, something that will make it feel like I really went to fight. So yeah, let's continue. I'm going to start with adding wand, and I'm gonna just sketch it to see where exactly I want it. I'm going to remove my makeup because I'm going to be using liquid latex, and liquid latex does not stick well over makeup. That's good enough. I'm going to start applying the liquid latex right now. Be careful not to get into your hair, because then it's a very big problem. Like this. And I'm going to add tissue paper. And we're gonna keep layering it until the desired thickness. Every time I layer it, I do smaller and smaller surface. That way your wand is gonna be really smooth. There won't be any rough edges. Then I'm grabbing scissors and I do a cut. Then I'll open it a little bit. Then I'm painting my wand from inside with the dark color to create depth. And lastly, I'm gonna add some fake blood only inside. And lastly, I would like to add some grayish tones to my face, as if I just walked out of fire. Now that I'm charcoaled, I'm gonna go bring my props, put on some wig, and show you the final look. Harley Quinn, nice to meet you. And this is the final look. Of course, you don't have to buy a wig, you can just use hairspray. I got the pink one from Sephora and the blue one from FOXXYLAND, so you can definitely use that to make it even more cool. Honestly, I really like this look. It's so fun. It's something that is super easy. You can literally make it in 1 hour. And of course, it's also very cool. And I hope you're gonna recreate this and you're gonna tag me so I can see. And now it's time for something very special. We had a YouTube giveaway in the last videos, so I'm gonna select the winner right now with you. I have here all of the comments and now I'm gonna press start. So exciting! And the winner is Sidra Asad. Please DM me so I can send your prizes, and stay tuned guys for so many more giveaways coming soon. You know I'm also running a lot of giveaways on Instagram. I'm gonna make sure that hopefully one day each one of you will get prizes of one of the giveaways, so stay tuned for that, definitely. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave your thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel for future videos, many more tutorials, many more challenges, many more giveaways. A lot of things are coming, that's for sure. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.